Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to modify the sprinklers here. As you can see, there's a lot of runoff here. Mainly when it shuts down, you want the water to stop running off from the pipes. And then you can see we got a sprinkler over there at the end where it's up, you know, it's got to be in the ground. All right folks, so here's one of the pop-ups they have, and this pop-up is way old school. See how far it comes up. Doesn't even clear the area so it can shoot out. It's not, this thing was never going to work right. And so these guys, they worked just by gravity alone, and you can see it's old. It's not even retracting, going down. So we're going to replace these with spring-loaded pop-ups, 4-inch, and we're going to show you how to do that. It's called the swivel joint system, and I'm going to show you that right now. Okay, so you see how this pipe is pretty shallow. It's not that bad, but the thing is that when we put in replace the sprinkler, that we want to replace this pop-up here, it's high, see? So we're going to show you how to solve that problem right now. All right, so we got that pop-up off, and what we're going to do is we're going to put what's called a Marlex first. It's a 1/2-inch Marlex, and we're going to screw that right in there. Okay, so that's a 90. Okay, next we're going to put this funny pipe 90, 1/2-inch, funny pipe 90. That goes in that Marlex. Then we'll put this funny pipe, and you can see that wall there is, some people get this confused with a drip line, 1/2-inch drip line, but you can tell the difference here. You look at the wall, so that will go into that funny pipe 90. Okay, so next thing we're going to do is we're going to put the pop-up and the Marlex and funny pipe together to be able to measure how much pipe we need. Put that together. Right. And we're going to measure that right now. Bring it down. So we need about right there. So another thing that you'd want to do is see how I have this position, the funny pipe and the Marlex. So it'll give you leverage to get this pipe in here, get that in there. So, and then like that. There you go. And that's it right there. Okay, go ahead and swing it down. And see, now we can adjust the pop-up as we need. And those, and that's what you call swivel joint system. So so we can get it to the height that we need it. Okay. And that's how you do it. Saves you a lot of work. Okay, so we've got all the modifications on the pop-ups. As you see, we did that. It was 6 altogether. And last one. So we're good to go. Okay, so we got them all spraying really good now. As you can see, they're not hiding in the grass anymore. And important thing too also is to make sure that you build kind of a base around your sprinklers, and then if you just want it the grass to go a little bit, just keep it down that low in that area. But you always have to keep your grass lower where your sprinklers are. So, anyway, folks, that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. And if you have any questions or comments, put that on the comment section. See you for the next one.